Facebook just changed how page access works. And if you manage a page, this affects you right now. The old way of giving someone access to your Facebook page? It's gone. Facebook removed it with their new update, and a lot of people are confused about what to do now. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to give page access to someone, step by step, so you don't waste time figuring it out yourself. Let's get right into it.